If you're having problems with your BT digital voice phone, you can see here it says no link to the hub. Hopefully, by doing these things in the video, it will fix your problem as well. So the first thing we're going to do is simply we're going to turn it fully off. So you see this hang up button here. Well, if we hold that down for about 6 or 7 seconds, it will actually turn the phone off. So we're going to turn it off, back on again. If that doesn't fix the problem, we're actually going to take the batteries out. So you can see once you've held it down for about 6 or 7 seconds, it turns off. And then to turn it back on, we need to hold it down for another 6 or 7 seconds. So again, hold this button down, keep holding it. And your phone will come alive. So just let it do its thing. It's searching for the hub. Let's see if it's going to synchronize up this time. And there you go. You can see now that it has synced up just fine. And we have dial tone. But if that doesn't work for you, you might have to take out the batteries and put them in again, or you might need new batteries. So we're going to turn the phone off again, and this time I'm going to show you how to get to the batteries. So you can see now it's off. We're going to use a flathead screwdriver, and we're just going to put it in here. So you have these little bits here. We're going to put it in here, and this whole back section will move out. So put it in here, leave it out like so, and you can now see that that whole back section lifts outwards, and these are your batteries here. They're AAA batteries, rechargeable. Don't put normal ones in, these are rechargeable, and they're 1.2 volts, 800 milliamp hours. So once you get your replacement ones, or just to begin with, try putting your same ones back in again, see if it fixes it. We're going to be putting negative side in against the spring, so that side against the spring, positive down here, again negative against the spring, positive up top. So negative, positive, negative, positive. And then to put this back on, you're just going to place it like so and make sure it's fully clipped in all the way round. And automatically it's turned itself on and it's trying to synchronize again. So see if this fixes your problem. If it doesn't, then change the batteries out and hopefully that will fix your problem. And there we go. You can see now that it is working just fine. Thanks for watching.